Cooking isn't just about following instructions. It's about creating experiences, forging memories, and expressing creativity. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner eager to expand your skills, understanding the essence of cooking recipes can transform the way you approach your kitchen. Recipes serve as blueprints, providing guidance and inspiration, but the real magic lies in adapting them to your own taste and style. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Most recipes are structured around a few key components: ingredients, measurements, methods, and timing. The first step is gathering your ingredients. Always start by reading the entire recipe from start to finish. This might seem obvious, but it's a step that's often skipped. Knowing what's ahead helps prevent surprises, ensures you have everything on hand, and allows you to prep efficiently. Ingredient quality is crucial. Fresh, seasonal produce, high-quality proteins, and aromatic herbs and spices can elevate a simple dish into something extraordinary. When shopping, take a moment to choose ripe vegetables, fragrant herbs, and the freshest meats or seafood available. Remember, a recipe is only as good as its components. Measurements bring precision, especially in baking, where ratios matter. Cooking, on the other hand, often allows for flexibility. Don't be afraid to adjust seasonings, add a bit more garlic, or swap ingredients based on preference or availability. Cooking should be an enjoyable and creative process, not a rigid set of rules. Preparation is key. Chefs call this mise en place, everything in its place. Chop your vegetables, measure your spices, and set out your utensils before you begin. This not only speeds up the process, but also helps prevent mistakes and ensures a smooth cooking experience. Timing matters. Recipes often include cues beyond just minutes and seconds. Look for phrases like "until golden brown" or "simmer until reduced by half." These are your guides to achieving the right texture, flavor, and doneness. Don't rush. Patience is often the secret ingredient that brings out the best in a dish. Let's explore some foundational recipes that every home cook should master. Start with a classic omelet. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, melt butter in a non-stick pan, pour in the eggs, and stir gently until barely set. Add cheese, herbs, or vegetables for variation. Mastering the omelette tête teaches you control over heat and timing. Next, try a simple pasta sauce. Sauté garlic in olive oil. Add canned tomatoes. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Then simmer slowly. Finish with fresh basil. This basic sauce can be the base for countless Italian dishes, from spaghetti to lasagna. Roasting vegetables is another essential technique. Cut your favorites into even pieces, toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and spread on a baking sheet. Roast at a high temperature until caramelized and tender. The result is a side dish that's both nutritious and bursting with flavor. Stews and soups introduce you to layering flavors. Start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery. Add your choice of protein, then pour in broth and simmer. Season as you go, tasting frequently. Low and slow cooking melds the flavors, resulting in deep, comforting dishes perfect for any season. Finally, don't overlook the importance of presentation. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a drizzle of olive oil can transform a humble dish into something special. Take pride in your creations and share them with friends and family. Food is meant to be enjoyed together. Remember, recipes are starting points, not limitations. Trust your senses, experiment with flavors, and adapt as you learn. With each dish, you not only nourish the body, but also feed a marak soul. Happy cooking!